Hey, Pella guys, after the airing of the latest episode of Izingane Zesthembu, on that episode we got to find out about the lady that Mpumelelo took her virginity and supposedly says, or he says that he wants to basically pay the fine that has been given to him by the girl's family. So the girl's name is Mpumelelo. You'd remember, you guys, that Mpumelelo was amongst the present ladies at the moment. She was the first girlfriend. She was even there before Uvu, you guys. So pictures of her started resurfacing. And then I saw this other picture of her on Twitter on the X streets. And this person who posted it basically was like, "Hi, Bophela guys. Unompumelelo sekanengane. Unompumelelo is with child, you guys." And as you can see from the screen, that she was pregnant, she has now given birth. So that person on the X streets was basically speculating that could it be that when Mpumelelo was basically taking out the fine of taking the girl's virginity, that it was that this girl is pregnant and they wanted him to actually take out the cows for taking a virginity first and then maybe later on pay for impregnating her. This person is also speculating that, remember, guys, when we watched the show of Izingane Zesthembu, it wasn't aired yesterday. It was not shooted yesterday. It was not shot yesterday. These things normally, like when we watch it, it's like a year later of everything happening. So that person is basically saying that it could be possible that Zaibo that ingane kaMpumelelo lena, and actually he is a baby daddy again. How many kids does Mpumelelo have, by the way? He has two with Uvwilazi, one with Turela, so four kids. Right. So obviously I had to go and do my investigation because I was not about to come here and share something iskatwa without backing it up. And I actually saw that on one of the pictures that Mpumelelo actually posted. Someone actually, there's a comment there on one of those pictures, and this person was like something like ingane yawa mselegu, like saying basically like, is that mselegu child? And Mpumelelo quickly corrected it, and she was like, nope, it's not funny, and no, the child is not mselegu. Other people follow the child's page. I do not. And other people were actually saying, even on the X streets, that no, that is not Mpumenelo's child. The girl, actually, Mpumelelo, she actually did eventually move on from Mpumelelo, and the child is supposedly some Indian guy's child. So I don't know about the Indian guy thing. I'm not going to speak on that because I don't know, you guys, and she's never said anything like that. But all I'm going to stand on is what Mpumelelo said to that guy, which is that the child, no, is not Mselego, and no, it's not funny to make remarks or to joke around and saying that that's Mselego child. So I guess that's that. I also double check if Mpumelelo follows her. Mpumelelo does no longer, he no longer follows her. So I guess like that is that, guys. It is over. And I guess it's not Mpumelela's child because maybe if there was a possibility that it was his child and maybe they were hiding it up until the next season, maybe he was going to be following her. One thing about Mpumelelo, you guys, he doesn't hide his kids. He is very fond of his kids. He posts zonke ingane zakhe. That's one thing about him. But yeah, guys, there you have it. Mpumelelo, guys, has officially moved on from Mpumelelo. It doesn't look like she's going to be coming back into his life anytime soon, even though Mpumelelo says at that time, well, let's just say a year ago, he was willing to pay damages for her. It looks like even the fact that maybe he might have paid damages for her, she didn't come back to him, which I'm just going to say kudos to her. Kudos to her, but I really hope that she's not in another taboo type of situation. And yeah, all the best to her and her relationship and her baby. And yeah, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.